Everything negative, pressure, challenges is all an opportunity for me to rise. I like criticism, it makes you strong. Life is never easy. There is work to be done and obligations to be met. Obligations to truth, to justice, and to liberty. Live for each second without hesitation. Life imposes things on you that you cannot control, but you still have the choice of how you are going to live through this. My mother always said, life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you are gonna get. The healthiest response to life is joy. Life is like a queen. You can spend it any way you wish, but you only spend it once. Keep calm and carry on. Life is a flower of which love is the honey. The best portion of a good man's life is his little nameless, unencumbered acts of kindness and of love. Live in the sunshine, swim the sea, drink the wild air. Too many of us are not living our dreams because we are living our fears. Be happy for this moment. This moment is your life.